First, prepare a Phillips screwdriver, a 7mm socket, a pair of diagonal pliers, and a new water-cooled structure. Next, use the pliers to remove the cable ties. Then pull out the two pairs of terminals. Use 7mm socket to remove water-cooled structure. And pull out the tubes by pressing on the spring pads of the white connector. Then do the same with the new water cooling unit. Insert the tubes into the new water cooling unit. Fix the new water cooling unit in its original position. If it cannot be fixed correctly due to the timer, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the fixing block. Move the timer to the right side. Secure the new water cooling unit to the studs. Connect the two pairs of terminals correctly.